Okay, I'm gonna come on here and talk about my beautiful new wig from Kylin Hair Collections. This is Sadie Low Light. So they have a Sadie, and she's a blonde, but then this is Sadie Low Light. So she has a little bit of dimension and some darkness through her. Roots are slightly, kind of show up slightly darker, and then the rest of the wig coming down is a nice, pretty blonde. But again, she's like a dirty blonde. So I like that because I have dark bio hair. I'm gonna show you how good, even when I pull it forward, it really just blends in with the wig. So she is a small cap size for me, has the 5x5 parting area. I have my scar tape on there, the clips on the side, the back comb, and then there's the wefting. And then of course the adjuster straps here. I always just bring them in slightly. And I have this one in 20 inches and she is either 120 or 130% density. I don't remember for sure. Based off the feel, I want to say I think she's 120% density, but there's a very small difference between those. And so I don't remember, and I always just get whatever's either available, or if I'm picking and I'm doing a pre-order, I always pick 130%. But this one was just what was available on their ready to ship wigs. And so I just figured I would grab her because they were having a good sale. So I was very excited. So let's put her on and see what she looks like. I did style her myself. So she came, I would say, not even really loose waves, just kind of with a wave in it. And so I used some heat protectant and I put these nice loose curls in with my hair straightener. So I'm gonna throw her on. Okay. There we go. That's where I like her to sit. And of course with Kylin, the hair quality is so nice, very, very soft. I love their wigs. They hold up great post-wash. I just never have any issues. Now I am currently packing for a trip, and so much of my stuff is packed away, but I'm gonna pull some of this bio hair forward, and you can see, yes, it is darker, but it really does a good job blending in. I like because it has the dimension to it. So I don't worry. I struggle a little bit with blondes, and I am wanting to predominantly go blonde for this spring and summer. So I'm trying to be very particular in what I purchase because I want to be able to continue to pull my bio hair forward. I just think it gives a little bit of, if you have that option, it improves a little bit of that concealing of the lace here in the front, the wig edge. So here she is. This is SADIE LL, Low Light, on their website. I don't know that they have any available right now, but I think that there are some for pre-order for sure. And that usually takes about 6 to 8 weeks. So I'm going to do a full turn. And there she is. Very soft. They use Brazilian hair. I just really love her. I've been wearing her. I wore her all day yesterday and I wore her out and about today, and just very comfortable cap. And I got so many compliments on her yesterday. So I am very pleased. Love this one.